Are you ready for math? I'm ready for math. I like math. We are on lesson 29 today, and this is really a fun lesson. I hope you're ready. But we will start with a little review. How about if we count by fives today? Let's start on the green, and then you go to the red on the edge. So make sure you have your number chart ready, and you're pointing with your finger. Do it with me, and here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Good job. This time, I am going to just point, and you're going to count. And you can point to yours and do it at the same time. I'll get you started. Ready? 5, yes. You did a great job. Now we are ready to count by tens. Are you ready? Right up on the top, and you're going to go forward and we'll go backward together, okay? So I'll just point and I'll get you started, and then you keep going, and after we get to 100 at the bottom, then we're gonna go backwards from 100, 90. We'll do it like that. Okay, ready? 10, yay, you made it to 100. Now let's count backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Great job. We are going to do one of those problems like we did yesterday where we draw it and then we do the subtraction problem. We can call that subtraction or taking away. And so today I have some linking cubes again, and so I will put them up here and you can draw them with me. Ready? 1, we'll count first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we have 6 today. So draw 6 squares on your extra piece of paper. 1. Ooh, mine is not very square. I'm going to try again. You can keep drawing yours. You want 6. It is not as easy to draw on here as you might think. So keep drawing your 6, and maybe we'll be done about the same time. Ooh, that one looks much better. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure your squares have pointy corners, and all the sides should be about the same length. It's kind of hard, but see if you can do it. Okay, now we have 6, right? Some fell off. Let's see how many fell off. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 fell off, so we need 3 X's. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's write the number sentence. Let's count them to find out how many there were at the beginning. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write a 6 first, and then how many fell off? That's what we're going to write next, because we need a minus sign there. That's that little line that's in the middle. And then count with me. 1, 2, 3. So you need a 3 here, and then an equal sign. And how many do not have X's? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's say the number sentence together. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Wow, did you get that? So there were 6 to start with, 3 fell off, and there are 3 left. So number sentence one more time. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Perfect. Since we have a lot of fun things to do today, I am going to not do a second one of those, and I am going to move this out of the way because we're going to look at butterflies today. Butterflies are the same on both sides. And when we see a butterfly that's the same on both sides, because all butterflies are, then we call that symmetry. Can you say that big word with me? Symmetry. Symmetry is the math name for being the same on both sides. And Now you are going to learn about symmetry with a butterfly also. You should have a paper that looks like this. And so you need this paper. And what you want to do is take your scissors, keep it folded, start on the folded side, and you want to cut very carefully right on that line. As long as you are keeping it folded, it should work very well. You need to make sure you keep it folded. And it looks like this butterfly is bigger on the top than it is on the bottom. Here we go. And then you open it up and it looks like a butterfly. How cool is that? Now, what happens next is you have to have some paint at home, because I could not put a bottle of paint in there like this for everybody, because the only size blue they have now is this. So if you have paint at home, you are good to go. If not, I'm sorry, I can't help you. But what you want to do is on the side that folds in, you're going to put 3 colors of paint, and you have to use red, yellow, and blue. You can use them in any order. So I am going to do some yellow first, and you want to put kind of a dot, kind of a medium-sized dot near to the top. There you go. And then I am using red next, but you can use blue next too. It doesn't matter. And then you're going to put that in the middle. Ooh, that made an awful noise. And then the last one is blue. I got a little bit of yellow on mine, so I just wiped that off. And then the next one is blue. And we're going to put some of that near the bottom. Then you close this up, and we're going to see how symmetry works, because symmetry means it's going to be on the same on both sides. So you push that so it's together. Then you want to slide the paint, kind of push with your fingers and push it kind of out so the paint goes mostly through there and kind of mixes a little bit together. And you might get a little bit of paint on your hands, but it should make your butterfly look really pretty. And I'm getting a little paint on the outside, but that's why you do it on a piece of newspaper. That's a great idea. Okay, so let's open mine up and see what it looks like. So mine is kind of dirty on the outside, but we'll just look at the inside, and that's the part that will have the symmetry. Oh, this is so pretty. I think I need to start from the bottom too. And you know, I think this worked out better than it has for me in years, because I used to just do it more so it went up and down, but this year I tried to make it go out, and it is going out, but now the bottom part is sticking together. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. Ooh. So I got the bottom, and now I have to get the top again, and I got a little bit of blue on the top. But look at that. It looks really cool. I didn't push it together as much as I could have, because if I would have pushed it together a little bit more, I would have maybe had some orange there and some purple here. Maybe I could still do that. I will see what I can do. I'm going to push it back together a little bit and see if that will mix those colors just a little bit. And what you're interested in, this is the part on the inside. If the outside is a little bit full of paint like mine is, it's okay. And yep, it mixed a little bit more, so now it looks a little purpley near the bottom and a little bit orange near the top. And then you're just going to let that dry. My newspaper is kind of dirty, so I think I might make it like that. So you just want to let it dry on your newspaper, and probably wash your hands before you do your Bible or your worksheet. So I should have thought that a little more in advance and had a wipe here, but I do not. So my dry erase paper towel is now my clean off my hands towel. So after you're done with that, and I hope you have some paint at home to do that with, then you want to find your worksheet, and your worksheet looks like this. And these are pattern blocks, and they arranged them in a pattern that shows symmetry. So it's the same on each side. And we're going to review what those are because I brought a bag of them home. And you do not have these, but I do. So I'm going to review it with you so that you remember what color they are. And this is a, you're right, hexagon. And hexagon in our pattern blocks are yellow. Perfect. Then I have, what shape is this? Yes, a green triangle. And you can say the color first and then the shape. Yep, red trapezoid. Orange square. Blue parallelogram. And the last one is a tan rhombus. So, you want to use those colors for this. On the back today, ooh, you get to use dominoes. We've done this before, and I'm going to show you the first one on my dry erase board. I will just have to hold it though. The first one, I'll just write the numbers below. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would write a 6 here. And I will write that on there. And then they have a plus sign. And then how many are here? Yes, 1. So then you need an equal sign that they already have. So you can just keep counting from 6. So you have 6, then you can just go 7. You only had to add 1, so then there's 7 more. Or 7 altogether. So you could just count. These were the 6. And then you just keep counting from 6 and you get 7 and then you're done. So you want to do that for all of these and then you are all done. I hope you have paint at home so you could do the fun butterfly. And if not, maybe you can talk your mom or dad into it. Get some paint. Sounds like fun. And you could use it for other things too. It would be so fun to paint. So take care. Have a great time.